Hello, let me show you maximum camera zoom test on POCO X7 Pro. We are gonna check this for photo and the video mode. So for the photo mode, take a look. We want to get the best quality and get the most details out of this USB drive. And that's how it actually looks. As you can see, that's actually quite good. There we go. This is the quality after post-processing. On this photo, it actually looks a little bit better because on the camera there's actually a lot of exposure, but on the real life it looks much better, definitely. And now for the video mode, let's try to do this. And also we can capture a lot of details. And as you can see, we can even switch between lenses while recording, so that's actually a good sign. Now let's check for this quality. We can capture a lot of, that's how it actually looks. There's pretty nice quality right here. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.